Okay, we back with another hair video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how I turn my lace front wig into a U-part wig so I could wear my natural hair out, because I am not good at wearing wigs yet. So I pre-braided my hair straight to the back. Any braids that's hanging down, I just add to the next braid. Then I had pre-cut my wig because y'all was so excited. So I'll cut a line down the middle. I did not cut the edges or no lace off. I went to the beauty supply store. I bought the clip-in pins, and then I bought a needle and thread. I put the wig on my head, as y'all can see, so I can fit it on, to honestly just see where the clip-ins was going to have to get sewn into, so I could have an accurate kind of measurement of where I need to put those clips. So as you can see, it is directly on top of the braids that I did. I went ahead and grabbed my thread. I put it through the needle, and y'all, I went ahead and got to threading them clips on. I was so excited, y'all. Like, I wanted to sew in, and I actually was going to sew this hair in, but then my little sister was like, why don't you make it a U-part wig? So, like, my mind was blown, y'all. I had this wig in my closet for over a year, and I use it to make videos all the time. But I'm going to use this wig so much more now that it's a U-part wig, and I feel comfortable with my edges and my front out. So, boom. It had enough room for 2 clips on both sides, y'all, and the excitement was real. I tucked my one braid into the other braids, and then I honestly didn't even have to leave it back out for real, because I'm not one to really wear my hair up in a ponytail if I have like a sew-in or a wig or clip-ins in, but whatever, it's out. It worked. Y'all, I was so excited. Like, look how it blended. Like, my natural hair curl, I twisted my hair in 2-strand twists, and when I have it in my hair, I'm probably going to twist it with the hair so it can blend like completely. But look at the back. Like, look at that. Even if somebody wants to touch it, it looked like mine. It looks so natural, y'all. This was such a quick style. This was like turning nothing into something, because really I had nothing. And I've been brushing my hair every day, y'all. I needed a break. Like, I honestly loved it. It made my hair soft. But your girl is a mom, a single mom at that, a business owner, and a content creator on accident. So I got to make it work for me, okay? I got to make it work with my life. And I'm really open to showing y'all different videos. Like, let me know what else y'all want to see. I know I need to do my business vlog. That's coming really soon, I promise y'all. Thank you for watching.